Hey, hi, welcome back. So I was talking about uni. I'm now showing this picture about unicellular, which is one cell like the Eglina, versus multicellular like humans like us. Okay, so multicellular are also referring to animals and many other organisms that's make up more than one cell. Okay, so what is the difference between the two of us? Mainly is because one is actually one cell, the other one is multicellular. Okay, so let's take a look at unicellular. For unicellular, right, they for transport materials in unicellular, they do not need a transport system. Whereas for us, right, we need a transport system. Okay, because for them they are is only one cell and direct contact between the cells and environment. So their cell, right, is actually very near the environment. It's directly contact with the environment. So the uptake of the nutrients and oxygen can be directly from the environment to the cell, and same thing goes for the removal of waste products from the cell to the surrounding. Okay, so no part of the cell is far from the environment outside. And then upon diffusion into the cell, right, the materials can circulate within the cell easily. Okay, because it's only one cell thick. And mainly the exchange of materials occurs easily by diffusion. So mainly they can just rely on diffusion, simple osmosis that they can actually get whatever that they want via diffusion or osmosis for unicellular organism. Whereas for transport and multicellular organisms, okay, diffusion is inadequate, it's too slow, okay, for the efficient exchange of materials because we have many cells. Okay, one example of multicellular organism will be like a mammal or BTS, humans, right? Simply because we have a larger body, so we have reduced surface area volume ratio. So the number of cells that directly contact with the surface is actually really minimum because we have so many millions or thousands of cells, okay, that make our whole entire body, and the cells are located deeper into the body, further away from our external environment. So can you imagine if we actually rely on simple diffusion, we very slow from one cell, from a skin cell, diffuse to the next cell, diffuse all the way into my heart. For example, the organ will be simply too slow. So we cannot rely on simple diffusion. Okay, we need a transport system, a more efficient transport system that enable our cells to get the necessary nutrients and oxygen at the same time and quickly, right? Right. So I'm going to stop here first. I'll continue the next part.